Today we are talking about the Amazon Auto Links Pro plugin. If you want to add a category from the Amazon that select automatically different products in that category, you have to first click on this product. Once you come here, it will show different options. Click on manage units. If you click on that, it will open this interface right now you are watching. Okay, if you these are the different categories I have picked up from the Amazon via making a category. First of all, you have to make add unit category. Click on the unit, add unit by category. If you click on that, it will open an interface where you can add a name for your category. For example, you were talking about adding a mystery box category. For example, mystery box, this is the category. Then you have to choose for the country. It is MX Mexico. Sort order, it's random. Best seller types, you have to choose the best sellers, hot new releases, movers, shakers, top rated, most wished, and gift ideas. This is your Amazon associate ID, from where you have to pick up this ID. I have already what you can say configured this ID and the Amazon, but let me show you how you can add the Amazon affiliate ID into your account. Okay, just click on the Stripe or somewhere there. Here for example, I will click here. Okay, after adding this ID, you have to come across the number of items you want to pick up in that category. If you want 30 products, you can add a manual video. For example, I want 30 products in that mystery box category. Okay, and after that, the image size is 160 pixel. It's okay. Make all the things by default and just go to click on the proceed button. If you click on the proceed button, it will open a new window where you can pick up the different categories for your website. This is now the Amazon categories where you can pick up. For example, if I want to add a category from the let's suppose I picked the category from productos handmade, right? If I want to add this category, I will just click on that add category. Now this category is added. If I want to add it's baby articulars, I do not know your Spanish language, but as far as I'm guessing, I can convert the language from here, but now it's not converting, so I have problem maybe. But you can convert it into English in order to understand. But as far as you are Spanish, it's better to see the products in Spanish. So if I want to add the musica, this product, if I click on that category, I will just go to the add category and it will automatically add Mexica. And then I will click on that, and then I will add it. Then I will come towards the create category. Now you have to create that category unit. Just click on that. Once you click on that, it will make a category for you, which you can edit, which you can, what we can say, make any changes in that category. This is the Yoast SEO premium plugin. With that plugin, you can add the different SEO things, or what we can say, the SEO functions in your categories. Let's suppose you try that it is gifts boxes. Okay, gift boxes, I have added the gift boxes. Just come down, it says that add a meta text. You have to add a meta text, a meta edit snippets, and after add the snippet, you have to add the mystery box. For example, you can add anything in the Spanish or in English. The mystery box is the best best category, but keep in mind you have to choose right keywords for your meta text. Mystery box is the best category of Amazon best gifts products. This product these products sorry these products will really make you amazing and will change your lifestyle. Let's suppose I have tried a dummy text for now. Change your life. Done. Once the line become green, it means that your SEO is now okay. For example, here if you check, you see that at its end, change your life. When the line become green, it means that this is okay now. This is okay now. Okay. Then I will come toward the here you can go the SEO analysis. I can show that it is not good. Add some more key phrases, for example gaps. Okay, gaps is all okay. It will show the different things you need to improve this article. You can add another phrase here if you want to add another phrase. For example, if you want to add it is the wishes products. Okay, now it shows that it is good but it needs improvement. If you can add alternative words to the wishes products, this is the I can add here a synonym for that, love products. Okay, right. Now it is the meta description is being specified, but it does not contain the key phrase. Now we have added this text is a meta text, but this text should contain different key phrases. So I will add a different key phrases here, and I will add here after add and wishes product, wishes and love product. Now if you come toward this phrase, now it do not show the backward results or the results in red or the orange dots. These are the points, these are the tips you can improve your SEO of that category that really works. Okay, and then if you want to add another key phrase, you can add. If you want to add another key phrase, you can do that by yourself. Now I come toward the main sort order. Sort order is random title descending. I will choose for random, and gift ideas, bestsellers, new hot releases, top rated and most wished for. Okay, that's okay now. Then it's your ID, number of item. I want to show the number of items to 100, and then I come the image pixel length, etc. And then the number of the columns, I will choose a template. I will not like the list design, I will add the column design. Let me show how these are. These are the column design layout. This one column, 2 and second. This one carousel design. Carousel design is this template, like the 4 product on the main to show, and then once you click on the arrow button, it will show another 4 products, and then another and so on. This design is called carousel. If you want to list just a list 1 2 3 4 is that type, you can add for now I will add a column, and I need the columns to be 4 line, right? And then if you want to add some custom text, for example these boards will give you an awesome experience. For example, I will add dummy text, you can delete it later on. will give you an awesome an awesome experience in your life. Okay, yes. Now we come towards the other thing. Leave as it is. Do not change these things. Make it as simple as, and then come towards it the right side. The right side, if you want to add more category, just click on that, and you will be able to what we can say, edit the category, or you want to add some other category, you can edit from here. Now I will just update it. If I click on the update, it show me some tips. Your SEO needs improvement. You have to add that category, but it needs some improvement for the search results. And then I come across these different things, but leave it for now because these are not understandable easy, but I'm just covering the main headings. How can you add a different category unit? I will click on update. If I click on the update, you will see my units and unit dashboard. Just come to the Amazon Auto Links plugin pro, click on the manage units. If you click on the manage units, it will show an interface like this. Now its SEO status is almost live. If you want to add this category in a different post, or what we can say on a page, how can you do that? There is a shortcode, Amazon Auto Link ID, this one. If you click on the copy button, then the copy, you will come to the post. If you want to add the post, I will click here and add a new post. If I add a new post, it will automatically show me the title, descriptions, and some other thing. But for now I will add a title. For example, most, or I can say best Amazon products. Okay, I will use the default editor. By default editor, I will come here, and I will click on the plus sign. And the plus sign, it show me a block here. This is the shortcode block, and I click on that, and I will put the shortcode I have earlier copied from the category units. Just I click copy here. I will publish it. If you want to make some SEO, you can do that. That in this fields like the meta tags, this one, add new phrases. If you want to see the reading ability or the other things, you can do it from here. Just click on the publish. If you publish your post, it will show you here a black, your post is published now. Now you can able now you are able to see your post. Okay, now you see your post. Okay, let me, yes, this is best Amazon products, and now your post is live. All the products are, these products will give you an awesome experience in your life. Okay, the products is now same as the case for the page. If you want to include it in a page, in the DV model, for example, here in the awesome product, I click on this, and I then enable visual builder for it. Okay, I will click on the enable visual builder. Oh, this is Google Ads. Once I click on the enable visual builder, it will open me this thing. Okay, here you can add a different category. For example, here, sorry, it is not opening. I do not know. I think you have added some words in that. Okay, thank you for watching. Thanks. I will make another video for you.